I please have the American cheeseburger, well done with no tomato?
Move out the way.
Me and my pappy.
What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and today you was a fat face online. And today we is on our way to Fresno to go see my pops. That ain't my pops, that's my bro. We're on our way to go see our pops. Shut up. As I was saying, Fresno about 3 or 4 hours away. I ain't got no memory on my memory card, but I just had to delete some stuff. It's about 3 or 4 hours away, and I would take y'all on that journey with us. I'm pretty sure we're gonna make a few stops or whatever, so I will show y'all the road along the way. But in the meantime, in between time, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, turn on all post notifications. Make sure you leave a comment down below. And don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend to watch 6 Wheels Rolling videos. And share my videos so other people can know who I am and know who my channel is and what is it about. Okay? Thank you so much. Let's go. I'll be back. Lord have mercy, it's my baby Sherry. We have made it to our destination, and man, oh man, that was a long drive. I am hungry, I gotta pee, I'm thirsty, and I need a nap. I even take a nap. I was just staring out the window like this. Yo, where my crazy daddy at? But yeah, it was a long 3 hours. Oh my god, the kid's trying to kill me.
Because my lucky hat is on.
That's my lucky hat. The boy knows. I got a gym. Apple bottom jeans with the fur, with the she hit the floor. Low, so got low. I can't go that low. I can't go that low, y'all. I can't go that low. I can't go that low. No, it's nice. It smells good in here too. Let me get on this treadmill. I'm gonna get him kicked out. Whew, I'm winded. Hey. Rockstar. I've been with these kids for 3 days. Tree. Thank you kindly. Get the tea. We're getting a tour. Break us up, fool. He gonna make us some barbecue.
Cold, and he cleans it out though. Cold, yeah. You tell me how I turn it on, just hold it. Yeah. All right, there you go. Huh?
Smells good.
People got dogs stuff and shit.
You want a dog? You want us to get you?
Don't go in there and get fracked out of my animals. Y'all hear me? Don't freak out. And George ain't no mess with you. He's a nice monkey.
Fresh plants. Smells so fresh in here. And these Africans used to come alive.
Yeah.
Daddy, didn't these Africans come alive in the temples?
Oh,
Real. Wait a minute. That's Georgia the jungle. I told you my daddy African. Real.
just pull it up.
Oh, Robert Brown. This is how our house
Little
is.
chain up.
And he has to look. He have it all on the wall. Daddy, you grew all these plants?
That one had to be over our house.
For real? Oh, this not all of them?
Where you gonna put your recliner?
Right there, get yours and them out the damn seat. Take them bar seat back over the curl now.
If you wanna go to Big Lots,
Yeah, I'm about to spend some time with my pops, and I'll be right back. The family, Brown family, they'll push your button. Whoa. She got a tape already? Wait, must have. Music playing. They got music playing, so y'all know what that means. I'll be right back.
You want a small plate?
Hey, give me some room, cuz. Give me some room. Have me splits. Give me a drink. I don't have my ID. Who does nigga think he is? He said, I always get calamari. That ain't just no little chicken nuggets or chicken strips. You want some calamari. We eat it through calamari. These new age kids, I was able to get chicken nuggets and fries at their age. Nothing more, nothing less. They crazy. I'll be back once this food cooks because I'm hungry and they got this music playing, so hopefully I'll be able to post this clip without music. Be able to put over. I'll be back. Thank God. Hard one. Alright, y'all, so I gotta scoop low so y'all can see my food. What you doing? You doing something sneaky. You're quiet. How's your burger, Bob?
Good. Bob's burger.
Can you give me mine?
I mean the grilled.
I had enough? Oh. Y'all, this is fried cauliflower with like some Korean sauce on it. Lulu said it tastes like chicken. It tastes like orange chicken at Panda Express.
Did they put a bracelet in there?
Like a 7.5. The fries was a little cold. The burger could have been a little bit more well done, but it was juicy. I give them that. So it's 7.5 out of 10. I only want to bite.
Move out the way.
The aftermath. Y'all, I hope that whole video don't got music over it because the music was pretty effing loud in there, man. Hey, we should have ballet. The wall. Hey, buddy, tell them your joke about the water. Say the joke. Come on, cuz, say it. Don't be scared.
Wait, what was the
Oh, wait, we getting left. Hold on.
What did the Chinese man say when he went in the water? What talk?
We're not racist, I swear. It's just a joke. It's just a joke. My battery about to die. I'll be back. Cold in these streets. And I only got on a turtle hoodie. There's just music playing everywhere. I just need the world to be silent. Shh, like this. And y'all go watch my sleeping video. I know it's kind of odd, but just go watch it. Just if you want to sleep with me, just go watch it. That's all you gotta do. Just watch it. Go watch my videos. Just go watch my videos, man. Just go watch it, please. I beg you. Oh my God. Y'all, we came to Big Lots to get my daddy a recliner. You wanna be a baller. Shot caller, 20 exchange, only in pun. Y'all's music playing everywhere. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. How am I supposed to vlog if music is playing everywhere in America? Get off these people's couch, boy! Oh, look at my daddy. He's so cute. Daddy, daddy, daddy. Y'all, this comfortable. I ain't been in the bed in so long. My bed. My bed. Woo. Woo, I ain't been in bed in so long, y'all. If y'all watched my last video, y'all see what the hell I was sleeping on. Don't ask me why I ain't got a bed. Ask your mama why you ain't got a bed with a headboard. So we end up coming to a furniture store because Big Lots was not big and they was not locked. So now we're in the furniture store looking at some more recliners for Pops. Somebody got a sale. Where's the sale? Ooh. 42-inch electric. Ooh, it turned colors. Ew. Ew. Are these the set prices?
What, sorry?
These the set prices
Yeah.
for everything? Okay.
You filming the store good?
Yes, sir.
Put together for him when I start her up in the morning.
You do it?
Yeah.
What time?
And I opened the store at 11, so.
I look tired. I'm tired. It's the end of the day, y'all. We have a winner! Woo! And I was like,
All right, let's
This
go
the
in
one
here
he
and then we'll just write it
decides.
down.
this is the one he picked out, you guys. You like it? It's right up his alley. Sale. Sale time, sale time. He said $4.50 out the door, no tax. So
He
we'll
never
see.
said.
So we'll see what he talking about at the counter. Did y'all? I got it on camera. He said $4.50 out the door, no tax, and he will deliver $4.50 without tax.
Sit over here. Come back over here and sit.
Let's pay, handle this business, and I'll be back. Don't forget, we still got 3 hours to drive back to Oakland, and then from Oakland we got an hour to go to Vallejo.
When I went to the Elmo show.
Look, y'all.
Every night.
Lulu, who never wants to be on camera. Me, Lulu, and Elijah. Always picking on me.
Yeah, all this except
I don't know these niggas. I'm playing. That's my daddy. But I really don't know the other two. My mama. He still keep a picture of my mama in the back of his wallet. Him and who is this? That's you, Lulu?
no, we're gonna
I'm just playing. I don't know who that is. Natasha? I don't know.
That's me and Elijah right there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's that?
The little pictures that was in the back of the book.
Oh. Who's that? Oh, that's Lou in that first one.
A headache, y'all. I've been out in these streets too long.
I think the first one gets on the bottom.
The fattest one gets on the bottom.
So that's
Who
Lulu.
raised you?
Dad said. And then,
Fattest one get on the bottom.
and then the kind of fattest one
Who's the kind
gets
of
on
fattest
the.
one?
I'm kind of fattest. Never talks
Get
about
off,
a
don't do that
woman
shit like
weight.
that. That's why your first girlfriend gonna be fat.
Fat, black, and uncomfortable.